What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play X Bitch by XXXTentacion. If you're new here, click that subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner of this video, as well as the notification bell, that way you never miss a new tutorial or I will throat punch you in the back of the mouth. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories, so if you want some free stuff, stick around to the end of the video. I get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play it. Alright, you guys, this song is in standard tuning and you're going to capo all the way up to the 7th fret. I do have a video on this that I posted a few weeks ago before the song was officially dropped. It's very, very close, but I wanted to make a new video on it and show you exactly how it's played in the song because it is just a little bit different than my original tutorial. You're still using all the same chords, and as always, if you need these diagrams, you can find them in the free ebook that's in the video description. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. It's got all the major chord diagrams in there. It's 100% free. It's got a lot of really useful information for you, so if you need that, jump into the video description. Once you get done, it is there for you. Now, your chord progression is going to be C major, which is 0-3-2-0-1-0, and then this little like B over C or B over A little chord here, it's 0-2-0-0-1-0, and then A minor, which is 0-0-2-2-1-0, and then E minor, which is 0-2-2-0-0-0, and then F major, which is 1-3-3-2-1-1, and then finally G major, which is 3-2-0-0-0-3. Once you get the chords down, all you need is your picking pattern. You're starting off with your thumb on the A string, you're picking the A, and then you're going to pick with your ring finger your B string. Your middle finger is picking your G string, and if you want, your index finger can pick the D. It's not necessary. I'm just using my ring on my B string and my middle on my G string. So you're picking the A string with your thumb, and then you're going to pick both of those, the G and the B, at the same time, and then you're muting. And this picking pattern is going to be very similar throughout all the chords. You're pretty much going to always be picking the B and the G with your ring and your middle. The only thing that's going to be changing is the root note that you're picking with your thumb. So again, starting with the C, you're picking A, B, and G at the same time, muting, and you're picking A again, and then going to the next chord. So then you're going to your next chord and pick the exact same way. A, B, and G, mute, pick it again, then go to A minor, which is the open on the A, pick the same thing, B and G, and mute, pick it again, and then go to your E minor, which now your thumb switches to your low E. So let me show you all of that just through the A minor. So it's C, so again, you're picking the root note, B and G, and then the root note again before switching to the next chord, and that's how you play all these chords. So now you're going to the low E on with your thumb, still picking that B and G with your index and with your middle and your ring finger, and still picking the root note, B and G, and then the root note again. So then go to your F. And you're gonna stay here twice. So you're going F, then when you go to your G, you're strumming your top 4 strings is all you need, just the E, A, D, and G. And then you're picking open E, 1 on E, open on E, and if you want, you can get that B string in there. So from the E minor, it looks like that F is twice. And I'm just using my index finger to upstrum those. So again, one more time. And that's it. This thing just starts over and it plays all over again. So I'm going to play it very, very slowly a few times through so you can really see what it looks like, starting with the C.
there you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories. All you gotta do to enter is subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, like this video, and then leave a comment down below with a song that you would like me to teach you on guitar. Now the way it's gonna work is each month I'm picking 2 winners. One is gonna win a guitar accessories kit that comes with a capo, guitar strap, guitar picks. Everything that you need as a beginner, intermediate, or advanced player will be in that kit. The second place winner is gonna win a free merch bundle from the channel, and then when the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'll be picking one of you guys to win that free brand new acoustic guitar. So again, all that you have to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, leave a like on this video, and leave a comment down below with the song that you guys want me to teach you on guitar. Again, I can't thank you guys enough. Your support has been incredible, and I can't explain how much it really means to me, so thank you guys so much for all the support. I really enjoy helping you guys learn these songs that you want to play on the guitar. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave those in the comment section below. I will have the rules to the giveaway in the description below, along with the free ebook that will always still be there. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Always free, it'll always be in the description, along with any tabs that might be for the video. So again, if you need anything, have any questions, my personal email address is in the description below, or leave your questions in the comment section. We'll see you guys in the next video.